How to create an engaging narrative for your game. Crafting an engaging narrative for a video game involves a blend of compelling storytelling, well-developed characters, and immersive world building. Here are some steps to help you create a captivating narrative for your game. Understand your audience. Before developing your narrative, understand your target audience. Knowing who will be playing your game helps tailor the story to their interests and preferences. Whether it's an action-packed adventure, a deep emotional journey, or a complex mystery, aligning your narrative with player expectations is crucial. Start with a strong concept. A strong narrative begins with a clear and compelling concept. What is the central theme or message of your story? What unique elements set it apart from other games? This foundational idea will guide all aspects of your narrative development, from plot to character design. Develop rich characters. Characters are the heart of any story. Create multi-dimensional characters with distinct personalities, backgrounds, and motivations. Players should be able to connect with them emotionally, whether through empathy, admiration, or even dislike. Well-developed characters drive the narrative forward and make the story more engaging. Build an immersive world. An engaging narrative is often supported by a well-crafted world. Design a setting that feels alive and coherent, with its own history, culture, and rules. Whether it's a fantasy realm, a futuristic city, or a post-apocalyptic wasteland, a detailed world enhances immersion and enriches the story. Craft a compelling plot. A compelling plot keeps players invested in the game. Develop a clear storyline with a beginning, middle, and end, incorporating key plot points and twists to maintain interest. Include conflicts, challenges, and stakes that push the characters forward and keep the players engaged. Use interactive storytelling. Leverage the interactive nature of video games to enhance your narrative. Allow players to make choices that affect the story's outcome, creating a sense of agency and investment. Branching storylines, multiple endings, and meaningful decisions can make the narrative more engaging and replayable. Balance story and gameplay. Ensure a harmonious balance between the narrative and gameplay. The story should complement the gameplay mechanics and vice versa. Avoid lengthy cutscenes that interrupt gameplay flow and instead integrate storytelling seamlessly through in-game events, dialogues, and environmental storytelling. Write engaging dialogue. Dialogue is a key component of your narrative. Write natural, believable dialogue that reflects each character's personality and advances the plot. Use dialogue to reveal character traits, build relationships, and provide important information. Well-crafted dialogue can make characters more relatable and the story more compelling. Use visual and audio elements. Enhance your narrative with visual and audio elements. Art design, sound effects, music, and voice acting can all contribute to the storytelling experience. These elements create atmosphere, evoke emotions, and immerse players in the game world, making the narrative more impactful. Test and iterate. Test your narrative with real players to gather feedback. Pay attention to their reactions, engagement levels, and any points of confusion or disinterest. Use this feedback to refine and improve your story. Iteration is key to ensuring your narrative resonates with players and keeps them invested. Conclusion. Creating an engaging narrative for your game involves understanding your audience, developing rich characters, building an immersive world, and crafting a compelling plot. By leveraging interactive storytelling, balancing story and gameplay, writing engaging dialogue, and enhancing your narrative with visual and audio elements, you can create a captivating and memorable story that keeps players hooked. Regular testing and iteration will help you refine your narrative, ensuring it resonates with and captivates your audience.